जैसे मैंने कहा कि फिल्म फेयर के साथ शूट करते वक्त एक बहुत मज़ा आता है, बिकॉज कोई स्ट्रक्चर नेसेसरी नहीं होता, वो जो दे एक्चुअली ट्राई टू make the star accessible to the readers. So that's what the photo shoot is about. So it's bringing out a side of your personality, and therefore it's done under very easy circumstances. तो बहुत मुझे ये शूट करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. जैसे आपने कहा कि कुछ अलग किया है शूट में, कुछ ऐसे डिसाइड करके नहीं किया, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने अभी कहा कि स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, पर वी वर जस्ट हैविंग अ नाइस टाइम और पिक्चर्स बन गए. Oh God. मुझे I definitely don't mind being tagged sexy, but मुझे प्रॉब्लम है डेफिनेशन सेक्सी का जो आजकल लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. उस डेफिनेशन से मुझे प्रॉब्लम है. जितने कम आप कपड़े पहने उतने ज़्यादा आप सेक्सी होते हो, जबकि मेरा मानना है कि सेक्सीनेस आँखों में होता है. तो इफ़ दैट इज़ अ क्राइटेरिया, I of course I don't mind the tag at all. I enjoy it.
If given an opportunity, would you like to ask Shahida?
No, definitely not at this point in time. We're friends. I was asked whether if such a situation arose, what my answer would be, and I said maybe I would have considered it because yeah, I just think I might have.
आपने कहा कि आप सेंसेशनल कोट्स देना आप सीख गई हैं.
मजाक कर रही थी. हाँ,
उसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
नहीं मजाक कर रही थी, क्योंकि Jitesh was just telling me something. So in that context I said कि I've learned to give sensational quotes, but there's no attempt at all to sensationalize anything. I was just having a conversation with Sukanya, who did the interview, or whatever has come out of it there's been no attempt on her side or mine to sensationalize anything.
Your style of fashion has been changing. What are you to say about it?
I don't think there's been a conscious attempt at anything. I just like being comfortable in what I'm doing, and I guess that always brings out the best in you.
Vidya, since you have totally denied the link-up with Shahid, what do you think that was it something to help Christmas connection or was it just media hype?
No, I don't think. I'm really not in a position to answer this, but I don't think anyone's done anything deliberately to help the film. हाँ, अफवाह फैली because I think दोनों सिंगल हैं और एक दोस्ती भी है, तो शायद उसकी वजह से रूमर्स फैले, पर I don't see any agenda there.
Vidya, as you said, like Exa had offered you hum part, so do you feel that you would have done hum part and you would have not been here, or that was the right decision to do it?
नहीं, मैंने हम पांच की. 1.5 साल तक I was part of हम पांच, so it is a visual medium, so I think it's important that we look our best. And I think there are various tools that are, whether it's the camera or the makeup and the hair, the clothes, everything just contributes to bringing out the best in you.
Talking about the conscious effort or just for the movie?
Pardon me?
Is this new glamorous look a conscious effort or just for the movie?
Thank you. It's a compliment, firstly, but no, there was it's not for the movie or anything. It's just, I guess, I don't know. It's just me.
बट विद्या, जिस तरह से बाल आजकल ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है कैरेक्टर को लेकर, अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ कैरेक्टर मिलेगा तो आप जाओगे खुद से?
बॉल लुक. I think I'm too vain, पर कुछ भी कहना एक एक्टर के लिए कि मैं करूँगी नहीं करूँगी एक लिमिटेशन बन जाता है. I guess as actors we have to just be open to trying all kinds of things. अगर रोल का डिमांड है तो फिर
विद्या,
but I hope नहीं.
Filmfare-centric questions now.
विद्या काफी ज्यादा हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म की जाती है, चाहे वो आपके लुक्स को लेकर हो, चाहे वो साइड व्यूज की बात की जाए, इससे क्या प्रभावित करता है आपको ये सब क्रिटिसिज्म?
नहीं, पहले कभी कभार अफेक्ट होती थी, अब नहीं होती, क्योंकि अब कोई चीज़, ये मग 10 लोगों को अच्छी लग सकती है, 20 लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लग सकती है, 5 लोगों को ख़राब लग सकती है, तो you can't decide what's good depending on, you have to decide for yourself.
विद्या फिल्मफेयर की बात करें तो कब से फिल्मफेयर पढ़ के आई हैं आप?
बचपन से आई थिंक आई जस्ट थॉट दैट फिल्म मैगजीन का मतलब है फिल्म फेयर, यू नो, आई डिडंट नो, शायद मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि फिल्म मैगजीन कहते हैं उसको. आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि फिल्म मैगजीन वाज इक्विवेलेंट टू अ फिल्म फेयर. तो मैं हमेशा से पढ़ती आ रही हूँ, फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स देखती आ रही हूँ. इट्स बिन you know, part of my growing up, part of my introduction to film stars and their lives and everything has been through Filmfare. First time I was really thrilled. It was about being on the Filmfare cover. और अब मेरे ख्याल से it's just trying to get better on the Filmfare cover.
Vidya, is it true that you've lost weight for the movie?
No, thank you. There's a compliment there again. So thank you. But no, there was no, you know, conscious effort. I didn't need to do that for the film.
What is your take on size?
विद्या जी लोग समझते
I really don't have a take on that, you know, because it's to each his own.
विद्या का हिट्स की बात करें तो आपका सक्सेस रेशियो काफी ज्यादा हाई रहा है, पर जब भी टॉप 1 हीरोइन की बात आती है तो करीना को लेकर जिस तरह का हाइप किया जा रहा है, उस तरह का आपको लेकर नहीं किया जा रहा. कहीं अफसोस होता है आपको?
नहीं, बिल्कुल अफसोस नहीं होता, बिकॉज मैं आई डोंट कंसिडर माई सेल्फ पार्ट ऑफ द रेस एट ऑल. मेरी रेस अपने से है, खुद से है. इट्स नेवर बिन विद एनीवन एल्स.
एक्ट्रेस वाली स्टंट रोल करती है विद्या, आपको क्या कहना है इस पर से? आपको कभी चांस मिला तो करोगे?
हाँ, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रोल. अगर रोल में यू नो कुछ खास बात होगी तो आई डेफिनेटली लाइक टू ट्राई दैट ऑल्सो.
Last two questions. Last two questions. Someone else who has not asked the question. Yes, मुझे लगता है कि actress stunt roll करने लग गए.
No, I think it's just a nice once in a while to try a different genre of film. Therefore, if you have to do action, it's great. But personally speaking, I'm not too fond of action films. So I don't know whether I'd, you know, enjoy myself doing that.
Vidya, as people say,
Coming with their films, Johnny 2 and Love Story. So who would you like to watch first, Arman or Imran?
That's a very tough one. I love the songs of Jaane Tu, and I think Harman's also going to do very well. He's got that quality about him. So I'm sure we're going to get two good actors in the... I can't go for both films at the same time. So I'll go for a trial of one.
Which one would be the trial?
Wherever they invite me.
Vidya, what's your idea of romance that you would love and how it has changed now?
I think it's not really changed. I'm not the Mills and Boon kind of, you know, in school the ideas I had, I think I pretty much have them, which is why I think I've probably not grown at all. I don't think I'm here to, I don't know, maybe I love to impress George Clooney. He's the eternal for me. And how do you impress a man? I think just by being yourself.
I genuinely want to, thank the media for having come here today despite the rain, because I faced bad traffic, so I know what it must have been like. Thank you very much.